He was not one. It's the tomato thing all over again.
CiCi and Papa News fruit.
She's emptying that thing out. She's not even looking. She's just
I hope you like your lemons and limes tenderized.
She's not even looking. She's just tossing them over her shoulder.
Oh, I missed one. I missed that
That's what she
one.
was after.
I put all the others in my soup.
That's what the other night she was throwing stuff out until she would get to those tomatoes.
Why, yes. Everyone has fun in the Queendom with CiCi and Papa New. Wildlife is well fed, pollinators are happy, predators prey. There is peace in the Queendom, and CiCi practices science. Uh-oh, that looks like something I need to deal with. Should I break off the limb? I did, and put it out on privet patio. Hehehe. A strawberry patch for Penny. Poolside oasis. Wild petunias and pokeweed and their pollen under the microscope. A view from the deck and poppies with their pollen. My first primrose plants came from a house on H. White Road. The first purple morning glories came from F. Gailey Road. Penny really likes Sea Rock City because that's where all the raspberries are right now. When I have to visit my potty, 2003, the Rose of Sharon came to me from a student I taught. This summer, I used Plant Snap a lot to identify pollen, you know. For years after retirement, I used Bug Guide to identify bugs. Are you hiding from me? Yep, that'd be the wall I used to hit tennis balls off of. That's a little one. I saw a big one yesterday. The spider warts I have in my big backyard came from Carrollton and from the Cook family farm. There's what looks like a Staudinia. Jim was telling me she thought she saw a parasite on a butterfly. Every single day, a rescue of some sort takes place in the Queendom. I think tortoise beetles are beautiful, and I wonder about their health. Are they golden when they're happy and healthy and mating? And do they turn black when they're about to die and in the swimming pool? Or are there alleles for different colors? There's a little genetics for you. Unlike ticks that are parasites. From the outbuilding, looking back at the pool. Don't you want to go and see Kelp Wonderland? There you go. Oh, nice spot. Catching bugs. This year, I used the tiller I bought from Grant all over the place, but especially up front, here in T Olive Triangle, Diversity Trail. Out back, I created a new trail through Trumpet Vine Oasis. These are Velvet Queen sunflowers, sunflower pollen. My vitex is blooming, and that's vitex pollen. The new Sony set to watercolor mode. The wildflower meadows of my big backyard. Hehehe. I've got one zinnia that's coming up in the crack at the top of the hill, and it's pollen, and just one of its many pollinators. And I'll end this presentation with pictures of Penny and Paisley. There you go.